Crypto Commit, coming back at you with another video, guys. Yes, today was a rough day, and we're going to talk about that rough day. And so the title of this video is called The Dark Side of Crypto Trading. Hope you guys' day went well. Before we get into this, guys, remember to like and subscribe. Let's get down to it. The dark side of crypto trading. Guys, today I put in about 10 trades. At least 10 trades. 9 to 10 trades. I won 3 of them. The rest of them I failed. Why am I able to say that so nonchalantly? Well, because today was all about learning and experimentation. See, when it comes to trading, honestly, making money is a bonus for me. Why do I say that in the trading? Making the money in trading is a bonus to me. Yes, overall, we all want to make money. That's ultimately the goal. But for me personally, when I look at the macro, when I look at the big picture, I look at all my crypto projects. I got mining, I got hodling, and I got trading going on. These are the 3 ways I'm making money in crypto, as I said in my last video. Check out the last video if you didn't check it out. Now, because I'm making money mining, because I'm making money hodling, by buying and holding on for dear life, it's okay for me to be able to study crypto and to take losses. Because a loss isn't just a loss, you also learn from it. Alright, this is why I can say it so nonchalantly, because my mindset when I go into trading is mainly to know how to move my money around, and also to be able to make a little bit of money to secure myself and let me be financially free. Alright? The thing about trading is you gotta have a strong mental. It's literally mind over matter, because you're literally sitting. Think about it this way, guys. We said it before. It's all about the flow of money. Currency, the flow of currency, right? Current, flow, chi, energy, current chi. The energy flow, the flow of energy, the flow of chi, currency, right? We are literally, when we hop into the markets, we are literally sitting in currency, just money flowing, money flowing, money flowing. And today what I learned, after losing so many goddamn trades and winning the few that I won, I learned what I've been saying all the time, not only to the people on my channel, but to myself. It's not, we are in the great wealth transfer. All we have to do is position ourselves, guys. Excuse me, I messed up my match there. But yeah, that's all I've ever been saying. Position yourself and the money will flow to you. It's a literal thing. So that's what I'm doing. Trading is like a direct example of positioning yourself for the money. If you go in the markets and you start chasing the fucking money, you're gonna lose that shit immediately. Position yourself. Put up the Bollinger Bands, for example. Drop a gem right now. Put up the Bollinger Band. Wherever you think, within the Bollinger Bands, wherever you think the price is gonna go to, whether you're doing a short or a long, you wanna put in your order before the price even gets there. Position yourself. Then the money flows to you. Your order takes. And then it goes right to your take profit. I also noticed that the market is like, it's alive, yo. The market is alive. It has a conscience. It's like whenever you put your money, you're gonna position your stop loss somewhere, right? It's like the market wants to go to the stop losses. Wherever you put your money at, like let's say I buy at 92,000, or I put in an order at 92,000. Bitcoin is like, let's fill his order and then go the opposite way. It's crazy how this shit be moving. And this is why I say position yourself for the money. The market literally gives you everything that you need. It gives you stop losses. It gives you conditional orders. This means you can make money whether the market pumps or dumps. As the great Ivan on Tech says, right? All you gotta do is study. And that's what I've been doing. Today was definitely a dark day in crypto trading. But it was also a beautiful day. The darkness isn't always bad, guys. The darkness is where life started. When we were in the womb, we were in darkness. Even if you look at the Bible, whether you're religious or not, I'm not saying I am. I'm a spiritual individual, not religious. But even if you look in the Bible, which is a codex, in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth, right? Without form or void, it was in darkness, right? Something along those lines, right? The universe started in darkness. He said, let there be light. Before there was light, there's darkness. You have to know what darkness is in order to know what the light is. So these dark days in crypto are very beautiful. And because you have the tools to control your trading, you can navigate through the dark how you choose on your terms. That's the benefit of cryptocurrency. It secures your wealth. It secures your wealth. Some people, they say crypto is a gamble. It's not a gamble. No, we don't know what the market is going to do. But guess what? We know that the market goes here, it's likely to hit these targets. If the market goes here, it's likely to hit these targets. And so what do? We position ourselves. We react. All right? We wait for Bitcoin to move and we react. That's another thing I learned today. Trade the breakout. Don't be sitting in no man's land hoping that your trade is going to get hit. Because, you know, say you put a trade here and then Bitcoin's going to be like, no, we're not going to go to that. Let's go back up. But he doesn't want to go up. So you're going to put a trade here. So it's like, no, it's just going to trade sideways. Fucking with you. It does that, guys. It's crazy, man. The markets, they have a mind of their own. They got a mind of their own. That's why it's all about positioning yourself. Not freaking out, not getting emotional. Trade with what you're okay to lose. See, when I would lose money in a trade today, I wasn't upset about the money I lost because I was trading with money that I was willing to lose. What I was bothered about was the fact that it could have, if I was trading with bigger money, it would have been lost. But what I learned is how to take a breath, to clear my board, reanalyze, and do it again. You don't have to rush into a trade. The money is always going to be there. Guys, we are in a free market. My God, I got to light this damn thing so many times. It's because I'm holding the joint and talking, guys. That's a rule. You're not supposed to really do that. So let me smoke this thing. Plus I'm using matches. I'm a cowboy, so. Either way, the dark side of trading is that you have to control yourself. And that's not a dark thing, that's a beautiful thing. I said it earlier and I'll say it again. In order to know the light, you must be familiar with the dark. Duality, baby. Fundamental spirituality. It's not all light and sunshine and rainbows and gumdrops and shit. It's about confronting yourself. It's about seeing how you lack discipline. That's what I saw today in my trades, that I lack discipline. So what you guys are going to be seeing from here on out is nothing but discipline. Guys, we can only go up from here. How do I know this? Because we have the tools to have everything we want. Whether that's in trading or whether that's in life in general. And I'm telling you, it all incorporates. How you live your life is how you're going to trade. How you live your life is how you're going to trade. If you have discipline in life, you'll have discipline in trading. It's like my martial arts. This is a lifestyle now. So it's okay if you lose some, because you're also going to win some. Just pick your battles. Be very careful and pick your battles. The same way we do in martial arts. People talk shit about Mayweather. I'm not saying I think Mayweather's the end all be all, but he is. His work stands for itself. It speaks for itself. And if we're talking about Mayweather as a fighter, he picks his fights. He has exhibition matches. He chooses who he wants to fight, when he wants to fight, where he wants to fight, the money, all of that. That is a true warrior. Well, a businessman. We're not talking about the skill set. We're talking about the mindset. That's a business mindset. And some would even say a warrior mindset. You gotta do the same thing with your trades. Pick your trades. Don't take a trade that you know you ain't fucking trained to take. You don't know how to use all the tools to be able to calculate this trade to do this. Don't fucking take a trade with this much leverage, knowing the volatility is crazy right now. Don't do that. Pick your battles wisely. Pick your trades wisely. And that's what I learned today. Ain't no need to be putting in no goddamn 10 trades. But it was okay for me to do it because I was studying, I was learning. I was using small amounts of money. I think the most money I lost today was 40 something bucks maybe. No, maybe 30 something to 30 to 40 bucks. That was of my choosing. That's what I decided to allow to be lost. I don't know how much I made. I didn't make much. I made maybe $5. You feel me? I made like $5, $10. Yeah, something like that. But this is all my simulated trading. It's all for learning. Thank God I didn't use big amounts of money. Like I said, it was a rough day, guys. It was a rough day. But on the trades that I was successful, I saw how I had positioned myself and the orders were filled and then it went to their targets. It's all about positioning yourself, guys. Position yourself for the money. The trades that I lost, I was chasing the money around, trying to balance shit out. But I will say one thing is I also picked up on another little strategy by chasing the money. It was like I could use some type of reverse psychology on the market almost. I know it's a weird thing. It's like when the market was going down, I would place a trade at the bottom. You know what I mean? Well, I would place a market order. Boom, so I'm automatically in. Usually when you do that, it immediately goes into the red because you didn't control it, right? So I would choose the market order, boom, it would go in the red. As it's going down, I would place the order. And it's like, oh, hell no, we're not going there. So then my order would start going up and it's going into the green. And then as it's going into the green, I start adding to. So, you know, I was learning different things, different ways to make money, different strategies. Trading is a beautiful thing. It's all about learning. And as long as you learn from your mistakes as well as your wins, you're gonna be straight. With that being said, guys, the dark side of trading is only as bad as you want it to be. Trading can be a beautiful thing as long as you're studying. Control the amount of money that you want to trade with. You don't have to trade with ginormous amounts of money. You don't have to trade at all. You can sit back, observe. You can sit back and study. Pull up tutorials. Create your own mini simulations. Let's say you do want to trade. Get in the market and take a small amount of money. Put $100 in your account, take 20 bucks, set a trade. You'll make a little money. Even if you make 10 cents, it was in the green. Now imagine doing that with big amounts of money. The whole idea is to get a feel for it, to see how the markets work, to see how you work. As within, so without. As above, so below. Right? That being said, guys, this is Crypto Komet. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.